Today, I want to share with you a powerful lesson that my mother once taught me. It's a lesson that has stuck with me ever since, and it's something that I believe can benefit all of us. My mother told me once, "Nothing can destroy iron, only its own rust can." At first I didn't quite understand what she meant, but as I grew older I began to realize the wisdom behind her words. You see, iron is a strong and resilient metal. It can withstand immense pressure and heat, but despite its strength, iron can still be destroyed by one thing: its own rust. Rust is a natural process that occurs when iron is exposed to oxygen and moisture. It's a slow and gradual process, but it can ultimately lead to the destruction of the iron. Likewise, nothing can destroy you, only your own mindset can. Just like iron, we are all strong and resilient individuals. We have the power to withstand challenges and overcome obstacles. But just like iron, we can also be destroyed by our own mindset. Our thoughts and attitudes can either build us up or tear us down. If we allow negative thoughts and emotions to consume us, we can become our own worst enemy. Your mindset is the key to unlocking your full potential. It's the difference between success and failure, happiness and unhappiness. When you have a positive and growth-oriented mindset, you are more likely to achieve your goals and live a fulfilling life. On the other hand, a negative and fixed mindset can hold you back and prevent you from reaching your full potential. It's like rust eating away at the iron, slowly but surely destroying it from the inside out. So, take control of your mindset. Be aware of your thoughts and emotions, and make a conscious effort to cultivate a positive and growth-oriented mindset. Remember, nothing can destroy you, only your own mindset can. So, choose to think positively, focus on your strengths, and believe in yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.